How to find the optimum anti-aging cream. Since very few people can claim this, is it any wonder that the anti-aging market is booming so much? Aging and what it does to the body and skin with regard to past habits is exactly like a scrambled egg. It cannot be unscrambled, which is why people want to find something that will help them. The most ideal approach to skincare is to begin when we're old enough to wash our faces on our own. Believe it or not, though, anti-aging products are not a scam because some of the better products will work very well with erasing the signs of aging. We'll continue on to talk about some of the finer points about anti-aging creams so you'll be much more informed when it's time to shop. What we want to do, first, is discuss something that could determine what you ultimately choose for an anti-aging cream. Before you start shopping, figure out how much you can afford to spend on your anti-aging creams. What is really nice though is you can choose an effective anti-aging cream that will be in your budget even if it's modest. This means that, before you go to the store, you need to figure out how much you want to spend. What you do not want is to be talking to some salesperson, and you don't know what you can really afford to buy. So it's just good common sense to know what your spending limits are beforehand. If you're concerned about synthetic ingredients, then take heart because there are products with only natural ingredients too. But do realize that the synthetic-based products will be a bit harsher on your skin than the natural. Things like green tea, vitamin E and extracts from certain fruits are all good. What is a common thing with people who have sensitive skin is that they can become irritated or suffer a reaction. Just keep in mind that what you put on your skin gets absorbed into your body, so that's something else to remember. Once you know more about ingredients, then you will have a better idea of what you want to try. If you are vegan, you will want to stay away from products that use anything made by or using animals. There are lots of products that contain prohibited items by vegans. Still though, there are lots of people who don't like using too many chemicals, and so they only look for organic or all natural. They do make these different products with ingredients to satisfy most needs. There are so many anti-aging creams out there. You really can achieve your goals with some high-quality products. Of course, you'll find some on the other end of the spectrum, as well. So how can you know which ones are the good ones? The best approach is if you take the time to learn more about these products. There are a number of important ingredients that are involved, and it's a good idea to know what they are. Learn how to figure out how much damage has already been done.